What's going on, guys? This video is going to be kind of a raw video, just me talking to you guys. I'm at work right now. Funny with the title of the video being having a job while trading. But I'm at work right now, so I'm going to try not to, get too distracted, but I might have to actually do some work. But I'll show you guys here. I am over here. I got that razor there. Boom. I'm selling those right now. That fun stuff. But yeah, having a job while trading. I think it's extremely important. I think a lot of people struggle in trading because of their want or their greed to just make money, just to have a better life. But honestly, the key to trading is to be financially secure already, or at least have an income coming in. Evals, they're not cheap. They're $100 each. You're gonna blow them. You have to blow them. They're meant to be rinsed and repeated. So these accounts you have to blow. And I know people who have blown, 100 accounts before they've learned that lesson to become profitable. Personally, I've blown many accounts, but yeah, I mean, you need a steady source of income to feel secure. So you're not always just looking for that P&L. You're actually focusing on the skill of day trading so that then you can grow in that skill. And once you learn that skill, it's a high income skill, the money flows in. It's that simple. Once you focus on that and learning that, it just starts to come. But like I said, I'm at work right now. I'll show you guys this. It is about 5:30 or 6 o'clock now. I just hit an Asia trade. Check this out. I just hit that on Asia here for a couple points. I'm up $1,600. That's an eval passed. So I'm adding more allocation right here. We're going to upgrade that to funded. Oops. And there we go. More funded account. Perfect. Some more allocation. That puts me at 6 figures funded with Lucid, which is one of the best prop firms out right now. I don't have a code. I'm not affiliated with them. But all the stuff happening with Alpha and obviously Top Step is just money hungry. Lucid is nice to just have and have cheap evals for the most part. But yeah, I mean, having a job while trading, it makes the process seem a lot longer than it is, I feel like, because I'm sitting here at this boring job waiting for trading. I know I need to take things slow. I can't rush the process. It is nice to see some progress of a whole different life while I'm at work right now, seeing things change. But yeah, I mean, slow and steady wins the race for sure. Obviously, you need to have some risk involved, but at the same time, slow and steady wins the race, especially right now. ICT has been talking about it. A lot of people are talking about it this month. It's not super probable. It's honestly take what you can get if you really like it. You have conviction, which is what I'm working on. I'm working on not trading every day. I think it's greedy to trade every day, thinking that you're going to get 5 winning trades, in a week. It happens. You go on winning streaks, you go on losing streaks. But honestly, I'd rather not have those highs and lows. I'd rather be super consistent, maybe 3 trades a week with good size. If we want to be on a live account, your goal should always be a live account. If you're actually honing in the skill, a live account should always be the end goal, rinsing these prop firms so that you can have more leeway with your capital. Right now, obviously, the ROI is better with low capital, but rinsing them, opening a live account will always be better. So once that's in place, I would, the goal is to be floating, lots of money. The goal is to be a real trader, having lots of money in the market, not being emotional over that, and being able to, float somebody's yearly check, But in order to do that, first you must be financially secure. You must be secure in general. And in order to have that live account and have it grow properly, because you're not just going to lose the eval or lose the live account like an eval and reset it the next day. That's actual 50, 100 grand. That's yours. That's your bank account basically that you're trading with. Obviously, you're going to have your risk limits. You're going to have stop losses, of course. But it's better to be consistent, I feel like. Those 3 trades with good size, good RR, perfect. Look for a good break-even point. Why would you not be in a risk-free trade? Of course. So that's what I'm focusing on right now, is just growing my mentality, growing my discipline, my consistency, especially with this month. I had a good month last month. I took a good payout. So I need, 3 more days on the payout with this account, and then I'm hoping to stack up, I just passed this account, hopefully stack up 3 more. I'll have max allo and be able to kind of risk a little bit lighter and have things go a little bit further is my goal. So, yeah, I'm happy where I'm at right now. Slow and steady, of course, but it's good. So I'm going to get back to work because unfortunately I'm still at this 9 to 5, but, one of these videos, it'll be different. Things will be turned around for sure.